Welcome to my channel. Today, we will be talking about receiving international payments in a Starling Bank account. Yes, you can receive international payments directly into your Starling account. To do this, you will need to provide the sender with your international bank account number, also known as your IBAN, and your Starling SWIFT/BIC code. These details are available in your Starling app under Account Details and then International. Payments can be made via the SWIFT network. Be aware that payments may take up to 5 working days to arrive. If the payment is in a currency other than pounds, it will be converted to GBP and a fee will be applied. Starling also offers a separate Euro account if you frequently receive payments in euros and want to avoid conversion fees. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.